Well, when operating a UTV out on the work site, there's a few things that I believe are mandatory for somebody to have as an operator. One such thing would be replacement belts for your pump. It's very possible that you could overheat, stress, or break your belt while in operation, so having a spare handy will definitely be great. First aid kit. Everybody needs a good first aid kit when out on the operating site. You never know what could happen. You need to have a tire plug kit and a good set of pliers to help pull out whatever kind of debris is lodged in your tire, causing it to go down. And just a quick shot of materials inside. This is what your basic tire kit should look like. You're going to have your plug tool. You're going to have your reamer. You're going to have different types of plugging utensils. Those will be what go in your hole. And like I said, good set of pliers. In case of emergencies or fires, always have a fire extinguisher on hand if it's been recently inspected and at full charge. When checking your fluids during your pre-trip, having a good bed wedge to support, and a good air inflator, could be any type. We're using a Milwaukee brand right here in order to help inflate your tires. And when operating your hosing, while in spraying operations, make sure you have good clamps on hand and at least one good screwdriver.